Want firm and younger looking skin but confused between copper peptide, arginine and growth factors? Let's break it down ingredient by ingredient so you choose exactly what your skin needs. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel where we talk about skincare and its consistency, because skincare is a journey. It's not at all an overnight thing. In today's video, I'm comparing these three most talked about serums for anti-aging. Ordinary copper peptide 1%, the ordinary arginine solution 10% and growth factor 15%. Each of these works on signs of aging but in completely different ways. If you're unsure like which one to choose for your skincare concerns like fine lines, sagging or barrier repair, then this video will clear it up all for you. Yes, I have tested these three serums individually and I have shared my videos. Like if you want to see the individual reviews of these, you can check out in these videos. In today's video, I'm going to tell you which one is my favorite and how I like to pair them or rotate them. Let's get into it. But wait, I know 86% of you who are watching right now have not subscribed. If you want me to hit the 100k subscribers super soon, make sure that you hit the subscribe button and press the notification bell so you never miss any of this amazing content. Now let's get started. So first of all, let's talk about the very first serum जिसको मैंने सबसे पहले try किया था, which is this Ordinary Buffett Copper Peptide 1. इसके अंदर डला हुआ है कॉपर ट्राइपेप्टाइड 1 at 1% of the concentration. Apart from that, इसके अंदर बहुत सारे और पेप्टाइड्स भी डले हुए हैं, so you can say it's a multi peptide serum. But let's talk about this copper tripeptide 1, like what exactly this do for your skin. Number one, this will help to stimulate the collagen and elastin production. It will help to promote wound healing and skin regeneration. It also helps to strengthen the skin barrier and improve the firmness, and has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. So this one will be suitable for dull, tired and aging skin, people with pigmentation, rough texture or barrier issue. Great if you want overall skin rejuvenation and resilience. This one is well suited for dull, tired and aging skin, people with pigmentation and rough texture, or a person who is facing barrier issues. So this one is great for overall skin rejuvenation and resilience. This is more like a long-term skin health investment than a quick fix. Number two, we have the Ordinary Arginine Solution 10%. This one contains acetyl hexapeptide 8, that is a type of peptide in this one. ये क्या करता है? This often called Botox in a bottle that targets expression lines by relaxing the facial muscles. Is suited for fine lines caused by repetitive facial movements. Like अगर आपको बार बार ऐसे करने की आदत है तो कई बार ऐसा होता है कि फोरहेड पे लाइंस बन जाती हैं, या किसी को क्रोज फीट आ जाते हैं ओवर द एज, या किसी को स्माइल लाइंस आ जाती हैं. So this one is perfect for them. So it's like a budget friendly options if you don't want to go for Botox. But again, it's not a permanent solution. But this one works and pair well with the Matrixyl or copper peptide. Like if you want to double the effects, you can add either Matrixyl serum or copper peptide. Number three, we have this growth factor 15% solution. This one contains EGF, TGF and IGF. Now these are basically epidermal growth factors, sometimes polypeptides and sometimes oligopeptides. What it does, it will boost the cell turnover and renewal. Also repairs the damaged skin and improves the elasticity. Also it helps to speed up the healing and can fade acne scars over time. This one is best suited for mature skin which lacks elasticity and firmness, or best suited for post procedures like if you have done micro needling or laser, or if you have dry skin, or अगर thinning हो रही है, or if you have photo aged skin. Now photo aged skin होती है like photo damage होता है. Photo damage क्या होता है? सन डैमेज और आपका जो ऑक्सीडेटिव स्ट्रेस की वजह से जो डैमेज होता है, इट ऑल्सो लीड्स टू एजिंग ऑफ योर स्किन. सो दिस विल हेल्प्स टू रिपेयर दैट एज वेल. दिस विल बी मोस्ट इफेक्टिव व्हेन यू यूज इट फॉर एटलीस्ट 8 to 12 weeks, and this works well if you use other barrier repairing ingredients with this particular serum. Now ये तो हो गया overall like what exactly the ingredient is doing for your skin. Now if I talk about my personal experience, I have talked about copper peptide serums serums in last 2 years और मैंने recently आपको अपना best and worst copper peptide serum का एक वीडियो दिया था और उसमें मैंने आपको एक ordinary वाला भी दिखाया था. What I personally have realized and what I feel, and even the ingredient says it all, that copper peptide is not a immediate solution for your anti-aging thing. Like it will not give you that instant results because copper peptide is something which works from within. Like आपकी अंदर स्किन की हेल्थ को, ओवरऑल स्किन की हेल्थ को ठीक करता है. So this one will be more suitable for people who are in their early 20s who want to start with an anti-aging routine. They can start with the copper peptide one. This will help to keep the barrier in check. आपके barrier को healthy रखने में help करेगा. As well as this will make sure that आपका जो skin है वो well protected रहे from the environmental stresses. This one is your preventive step. It's not a cure. It won't give you the immediate result कि हाँ fine lines आपकी ठीक कर देगा. No, this will only and only help you with your barrier repair, and of course जब barrier healthy रहता है your skin is healthy. So this will help to keep your skin healthy. But again you won't see that results like this because like I said, skincare is not an overnight thing, it's a journey. So you have to be consistent with this product. At least use it for 2 to 3 months, then you will see changes in your skin gets better. If your main concern is your early signs of aging or you are in your early 20s, you want just a barrier repair thing, then copper peptide is for you. Talking about this Argaline solution, now see, this has shown me immediate result. Immediate in the sense like after 2 to 3 weeks I could see my skin look firm. जो थोड़ा बहुत सैगीनेस इस चीक, दोनों चीक्स के साइड पे मुझे सैगीनेस दिखती थी वो काफ़ी हद तक इसने मेरी ठीक करी. I can say that yes, it is a Botox in a bottle, but definitely not a permanent solution. It is a temporary solution. You have to be consistent with this one. Like जब आप इसको छोड़ देते हो तो आपका स्किन दोबारा से वैसा हो जाता है. You have to keep this one consistently in your skincare routine. Only then you will see the results with this particular serum. Whereas the growth factor one is something which goes deep into your skin. It helps to regenerate the skin. आपकी स्किन को अंदर जाके वो रिपेयर कर रहा है. तो when your skin is getting repaired from within, तो you will see that fine lines, sagging, सब कुछ ठीक हो रहा है. At the same time कहीं भी आपका कोई स्किन डैमेज हुआ है, चाहे वो सन डैमेज है या एनवायरमेंटल फैक्टर्स की वजह से अगर स्किन डैमेज हुआ है या कोई भी मैकेनिकल डैमेज हुआ है, मैकेनिकल डैमेज इन द सेंस अगर आपने अपना बैरियर डैमेज कर लिया है या आपने बहुत ज़्यादा माइक्रो नीडलिंग करी है या लेज़र ट्रीटमेंट्स आपने करवाए हैं, सो ऑल ऑफ दैट डैमेज दिस विल हेल्प टू रिपेयर. ऑल्सो ओवर द टाइम जब ऑब्वियसली डैमेज रिपेयर होगा, आपका स्किन रिपेयर होगा, स्किन बेटर होगा, सेल टर्नओवर रेट बढ़ेगा, आपकी स्किन इवेंचुअली जो टॉप मोस्ट लेयर के जो डेड स्किन है वो रिमूव होती जाएगी, अंदर से नई स्किन आती जाएगी. तो डेफिनेटली आपके जो मार्क्स हैं, आपकी जो पिगमेंटेशन है वो भी आपको लाइट फील होगी. दिस वन इज फॉर दोज हु हैव ऑलरेडी डैमेज देयर स्किन एंड दे वांट टू रिपेयर देयर स्किन. पर्सनली आई लव कॉपर पेप्टाइड व्हेन इट कम्स टू बैरियर रिपेयर, एंड इफ आई वांट द instant results and I need the firmness, I prefer the Argaline one, and for overall health I prefer this one. But just when I got an idea of this video, like let's compare these 3 serums, I had this thought in my mind like why there is not a single product with all these 3 ingredients in one product. At that time I came to know that Numbuzin has come up with their number 9 line जिसके अंदर आपको ये तीनों के तीनों ingredients मिल रहे हैं. I was like wow, like okay, there is a brand who is thinking just like me and they have formulated this serum, but yes, it's not अभी available in India. I will try to get it. मुझे कहीं पे वो available दिखेगा किसी साइट पे, अभी वो कहीं पे भी available नहीं है, but as soon as it will arrive in India I will definitely try that one out. And after that I came to know that even our Dr. Sheth's has come up with the Argaline and I think copper peptide wala serum. I think I need to check that out. I think Dr. Sheth one is very easily available, so I may try that first. I'll ask the brand, if they send it to me it's fine, otherwise I'll buy it myself. I test that serum and then I'll come up with that video super soon. But I hope this particular one was helpful for you and help you to choose right serum for your skincare concern. If you do, don't forget to hit like, share, subscribe, press the notification bell as well so you never miss any of my videos. I'm going to see you in my next. Until then, take care.